This video demonstrates how to call a write service from the SBXA Service Request Builder. It assumes that you have already connected to the SBDemo account from the SBXA Service Request Builder and have a valid session ID. If you need help with these steps, please see the SBXA Services login video or the Getting Started with SBXA Services manual, available with the SBXA version 650 documentation set at docs.rocketsoftware.com. SBXA services are designed to make your SB Plus and SBXA applications consumable in a web or mobile environment. The SBXA Service Request Builder, shipped with every installation of SBXA version 650 and later, is a mock web client designed to test your SBXA services. Success with the Service Request Builder indicates that your services are ready to be implemented in a web or mobile application. The SBXA Write service allows you to write to Universe or Unidata files from a REST API while using SBXA field definitions to guide the write. To write data to an SBXA file, a service definition is required. You can create a service definition by entering SRD at the Process ID prompt in Rich Client or SB Client. In the following example, we will write data to the SBDemo cust file using a service write definition called custmob, which is included in SBDemo. This predefined service definition permits reads and writes to the cust file. To open the service definition, enter SRD at the Process ID prompt, and cust for the dictionary name. In the definition field, enter custmob. This screen is the same for both read and write services. Note that each field in the service definition must be specified as read, write, or read-write. This definition specifies each field as read-write. That means that, in our example, we can use our service to write to these fields from the Service Request Builder. But before we do that, we will look at record 40 in the cust file. Then, after we perform the write from the Service Request Builder, we can check to see that the record is changed. The surname currently is driver. We will write a new value through the write service. In the Service Request Builder, click the Method list and select Write. The Service Request Builder parameters change to match what is required to invoke an SBXA file write service. It automatically provides one parameter for a field to be written to. You can add additional fields to be written to if required by clicking the Add button, but we will not do that for this example. In the field that corresponds to File, enter cust, the name of the file to which we intend to write. In the field that corresponds to ID, enter a valid customer record ID, for example, 40. In the field that corresponds to the service name, enter the name of the service definition, in this example, custmob. Add surname as the field to which we intend to write. Give it a value of passenger. This will change the surname of customer record 40 from driver to passenger. Click Submit. The response area displays an empty error response if the write is successful. In SBXA or SB Client, confirm that the write has taken place. For reference, the SBXA Write service uses an HTTP post to submit data to be processed by SBXA at the specified resource. The specified resource is the target URL. The payload of the Service Request Builder forms the message body of the post request.